Hello, my name is Didier. I'm a gardener on Adventureland and I have been with the company since 1999. My role is to look after the vegetation for the guests so that they are immersed, so that they have the feeling of being in the jungle. To reinforce the jungle side of Adventureland, we have hardy plants already in place, and to make the guests feel even more immersed, we use exotic plants. Here, for example, we are in a corner where it was more like a lush, humid jungle, so we have put tree ferns. On the Pirates of the Caribbean side, we have a waterfall. There we're going to put orchid-type plants of the Alocasia type, which will be very well adapted to this kind of place. In the Bazaar, for example, we will use ficus or plants with slightly thinner leaves, which corresponds to the desert and to the atmosphere of the place. For the waterfall next to the Pirates of the Caribbean, these famous orchids are used. They have a little history. The floral decoration team regularly rotates the flowers in the hotels. The flowers it removes are recovered to give them a second life. My job as a gardener is a passionate job because you have to love plants. You have to know how to take care of them. You have to know them. At Disneyland Paris, we are in a place where we have different themes. For the gardener, it is really a huge playground. We get up in a good mood every morning to come to work.